Ever considered the magic of human narratives weaving tales about our shared experiences, rather than algorithms taking the lead? The streaming scene is not just redefining our viewing habits, even the venerable how it's made is getting a makeover. Money matters too. The game of getting paid has seen a transformation. A whopping 800 million jobs might be swept away by AI automation by 2030. Today, we're plunging into the 11 industries that AI has set its sights on. But get ready, we're about to unravel the gigs that might just be on the edge of extinction, so buckle up. Number 11, graphic designers. AI's rapid evolution has produced powerful design tools like Midjourney and Stable Diffusion. These cutting-edge apps create high-quality designs of all kinds in seconds. To develop appealing and unique graphics, they use complex algorithms that analyze trends, styles, and user preferences. However, what does this mean for human graphic designers? As AI advances at recognizing aesthetics and interpreting creative briefs, human intervention in design will decrease. Designers may soon compete with computers that develop eye-catching designs quickly, with minimal room for error or change. AI-powered design tools. Will human ingenuity survive? Only time will tell. Number 10, translators and interpreters. Solutions such as ChatGPT and other advanced language processing technologies are transforming the translation industry by providing highly accurate real-time translations. These AI-powered tools use machine learning and neural networks to understand context, idioms, and cultural nuances that were previously only understood by human translators. Seamless communication between languages is now possible, tearing down obstacles like never before. Human translators and interpreters will always have a role in highly specialized or sensitive translations, but the demand for common translation services is expected to decline. How would translators adjust in a world where AI can converse seamlessly in any language? As we see this linguistic revolution unfold, the future of this industry is uncertain. Number 9, manufacturing and assembly line jobs. In a world dominated by precision, speed, and efficiency, AI-powered robots have become the stars of the production floor. These smart devices handle complex tasks without much human intervention thanks to their sensors, computer vision, and machine learning. From car plants to electronics manufacturers, AI-driven robots are replacing humans. Working 24/7 without tiring ensures a continual flow of work and reduces errors. Automation can boost production and cut cost, but it must be considered in its human impact. Many manufacturers may face an unclear future if their abilities deteriorate. The challenge is finding new opportunities for these people in a more automated world while ensuring they have the skills to succeed. Number 8, data entry and data processing. At a time when data is more valuable than oil, companies are relying on sophisticated AI algorithms to quickly process, analyze, and derive insights from massive data sets. Machine learning algorithms and optical character recognition technology have revolutionized the way we handle text, eliminating the need for tedious manual labor. AI-powered data analytics tools effortlessly sift through massive data sets, effortlessly identifying trends and patterns more efficiently than human analysis. Although these advancements undoubtedly enhance efficiency and precision in data-driven decision-making, they also give rise to concerns regarding the future of data entry and data processing professionals. With the rapid evolution of AI, these jobs may soon become obsolete, forcing workers to quickly adapt their skills and stay ahead in a constantly changing job market. The task at hand is to ensure that these workers can smoothly transition into new roles that make use of their expertise and fully embrace the potential of AI. Number 7, basic accounting and bookkeeping. AI-powered tools and software are helping automate extra accounting tasks like balancing accounts, creating financial reports, and tracking spending. Imagine machine learning algorithms analyzing massive financial data sets to find inconsistencies and predict future trends with astounding precision. Not only does this simplify financial administration for firms, but also reduces human error in those complex calculations. But hold on to your calculators. Basic accountants and bookkeepers are cha-ching. While their talent remains gold, AI-driven tangos are the new dance floor move. They must get along with these futuristic aids to stay professional. Gaining new data analysis or financial technology skills is like mastering the current dance fad to spice up their routines. Number 6. Customer service and support representatives. Businesses are now embracing the power of AI-powered chatbots and virtual assistants to enhance customer experiences with efficiency and personalization. These clever systems have the ability to understand natural language, analyze customer data, and provide immediate solutions to common problems. AI-powered customer support is revolutionizing service quality while slashing operational cost. Nevertheless, this transition gives rise to apprehensions regarding the fate of human customer service agents. With the increasing capabilities of AI in handling intricate queries and even understanding customer emotions, the need for human agents might decrease. This potential shift may have support representatives exploring new career paths or finding ways to adapt their skills in an AI-driven world. Number 5. Proofreaders and copy editors. With the rapid advancement of language processing algorithms, AI-powered tools have become incredibly adept at detecting grammar and syntax errors, offering suggestions to improve style and enhancing overall text readability in real time. These innovative applications surpass basic spell checkers, demonstrating their ability to analyze intricate sentence structures, comprehend context, and adapt to diverse writing styles. Although it's highly improbable that AI will ever fully supplant human expertise, particularly in the realms of specialized or creative writing, there may be a decline in the need for traditional proofreading and editing services. Professionals in this field face the challenge of embracing AI-driven tools to elevate their editing skills. By blending the precision of AI with the nuance and creativity of human editors, they can truly enhance their craft. Number 4. Market research analysis. Fourth on the list, the revolutionary potential of AI is a challenge for market research experts. AI-powered data analytics tools effortlessly collect and analyze massive volumes of data from diverse sources, including social media, customer reviews, and online behavior. These tools have a knack for swiftly spotting patterns, trends, and consumer preferences, equipping businesses with priceless insights to shape their marketing strategies. With the increasing proficiency of AI in deciphering intricate data, the role of traditional market research analyst may dwindle. In order to remain current, analysts must adjust their skills to fully utilize AI-driven data analytics and stay ahead in a world that is becoming more and more data-focused. Number 3. Legal assistants. Legal assistants are facing the challenge of dealing with the increasing presence of AI in the legal industry. State-of-the-art algorithms have reached a level of sophistication where they can effortlessly handle tasks such as contract reviews, case law research, and even foreseeing case outcomes. These AI-driven tools are quite impressive, and they can save a significant amount of time and money. They make the legal process more efficient and have the potential to replace traditional legal support roles. In order to keep up, legal assistants should wholeheartedly embrace AI technology and concentrate on honing their specialized skills that work hand in hand with AI-driven tools. This could entail refining knowledge in specialized legal areas or developing interpersonal skills like negotiation and client relations that are distinctly human. Number 2. Financial planners and tax preparers. Financial planners and tax preparers find themselves facing the increasing presence of AI in the finance sector. Advanced robo-advisors offer tailored investment advice, while sophisticated algorithms meticulously analyze tax regulations and effortlessly prepare tax returns with exceptional precision. In order to flourish in this ever-evolving landscape, financial planners and tax preparers should prioritize the development of specialized expertise, providing tailored services, fostering robust client relationships, or adopting a hybrid approach that combines the efficiency of AI with human expertise. Finding the sweet spot between harnessing the power of AI and maintaining the personal touch that clients appreciate in professional services is no easy task. And number 1, junior software developers. At the top of the list, junior software developers are in a dangerous situation due to the advancements in AI. AI-powered tools such as ChatGPT and other software solutions that operate on text instead of pure code are revolutionizing the software development landscape. These clever tools have a knack for understanding natural language, effortlessly generating code snippets, and offering helpful suggestions for improving existing code bases. Junior software developers must navigate the ever-changing landscape of their field, where AI-driven tools have the potential to surpass their abilities. In order to flourish, developers should prioritize the cultivation of specialized expertise in niche programming languages, a deep understanding of advanced AI algorithms, or the involvement in complex, large-scale projects. In the AI-driven revolution, it's not about doom, but a remix of opportunities. Embrace change, learn new skills, and ride the wave to elevate your career. Hit that like button if you're ready for this tech-savvy adventure, subscribe for more insights, and let's navigate this future together.